On today's first look, we have a 1966 Shelby GT350H. Now this is lot number 1316. Rent-A-Racers is what they were nicknamed back in the day, with the 289 high-performance V8 engine with its original drivetrain. It is a matching numbers car, which in these, not all of them are matching numbers. People rented these, took the engines out, took the hypo out and stuck another engine in, and then returned it to Hertz. So that is a very valuable aspect of it. It was completed in April 18th, 1966. Then it was delivered to Carroll Shelby's High Performance Motors in El Segundo, California for dealer prep, and where it was assigned to Hertz Los Angeles Airport. It was later sold in August of 1967, and it remained here in Phoenix, Arizona. The car underwent a concours restoration. It was completed in 2025. It was then judged at SAAC 50 at Sonoma, California, where it received a premier award. I took a couple of Shelbys there. Judging was very tough. This car looks to be in absolutely spectacular condition. Let's take a look under the hood of this Rent-A-Racer. Beautiful. I used to have one of these, almost the identical car. They're a lot of fun. Here's your Shelby number on it. Your Ford number is underneath here. This winning a premier award, I am sure everything is accurate on this car. Best part, this Shelby GT350H is selling at no reserve at our 2026 Scottsdale auction, January 17th through the 25th at Westworld of Scottsdale.